A little bit of overview over the ink is the blade saw has been tested and ran with acetone-based ink. That is the only ink base that we recommend for a blade saw. Now the Cyber ATs can use the acetone-based ink, but when they are manufactured, they are tested with an alcohol-based ink and cleaner. Very important that it is either the ink and the cleaner are matched to the same base. Acetone and alcohol do not mix. They cause damage to printheads when they are mixed. If you have a blade saw and you want to run one type of ink, so that's all you have in your plant, we can walk you through switching out that to an acetone based system. If you do have both of them in your plant, there's not an issue with that, but make sure that the acetone and the alcohol chemicals do not get mixed or swapped. They should not be stored near each other, just to keep them from accidentally grabbing the wrong one. Okay? The rules about switching inks for the Cyber is you would flush and purge 2 containers of ink through it. You would switch to the new style cleaner, run a quart or one of the containers through that, and then you could introduce that same base ink system to that. Very important that if it's an acetone system, that we're running acetone cleaner and acetone ink. If it's alcohol, the same reason, alcohol cleaner, alcohol base.